What's up? It's your girl Alifia coming in at you with another video. You don't have nothing better to do with your life but hate.
No!
Hi YouTube! I'm coming very soon with an update video on her and her head. But right now, this video is not about her and it's not about her head. It's about my Juvia's Place palette collection. Here come another interruption. Yes!
Okay, so I know I sound a hot mess, so please forgive my voice. But I just want to show you all, or point out to you all, how my foundation is cracking. I use that hydration foundation, and if you see the tutorial before this one, you'll know what I'm talking about. This goes to show you how, as an oily or combination oily skin person, hydrating foundations are not our friend. Okay, I'm gone. I'm sick right now, so please excuse my voice.
You ever bought anything off that Wish? You ever looked through there? Is it cheap stuff? Like shoes and everything cheap? I never bought shoes from there, but I do know the stuff that I bought was cheap feeling, cheap looking. Oh, what you bought off of here? A couple of jewelry pieces. I bought some makeup brushes one time and they were not petite. They have Nike stuff and all kind of stuff. That's probably not Nike, that's Psyche. That's them Psyche people then called it Nike, but they don't say a real Nike on Wish. I highly doubt that's real Nike. Okay then, thank you. You're very welcome. Y'all see that muscle? That's a muscle right there. That's a muscle. I got the bill on it. Okay, anyway. Alright. So, you go ahead and be out of there. They can't see you. I mean, I may just do the little voice thing like I did before, whatever, I don't know. One of these days, you're going to tell my YouTube people, hey.
So anyway, maybe we can get this video on and popping if people would leave me alone. Go to your room. Anyway, so this video is going to be about my Juvia's Place palette collection. And along with my Juvia's Place palettes, I am going to show the two blushes that I have from them. I have a couple of lippies from them, but I'm not going to show those in this video. This is all about my palettes, the things that go on your eyes, and a couple of things that go on your cheeks. But anyway, so here is what I have. Let's see if I can get it all together without dropping it. Alright, so these are all my palettes, and that is kind of heavy. So let me put those shenanigans down. Why are you over here in this corner telling some There's a hater in the room. There's a hater in the midst. Okay, so anyway, so let me just go ahead and put this out there. I know there are a lot of people that have a problem with Juvia's Place and all that good jazz, and I'm going to say I have not been 100% pleased with everything that I have seen transpire between the owner of Juvia's Place and some other people. However, that beef is not mine. They have not done anything to me, and baby, if they sent me a palette or two, I wouldn't even be mad about it. But with that being said though, let's just go ahead and get into what I do have. So the first thing I have is the Bella blush, and this actually has a mirror with it, and this is what it looks like. Now, I'm not going to, for the sake of time, I'm not going to do swatches or anything of these palettes. I'm just going to show you the palettes, tell you the name of them, and show you what they look like. The next thing is the blush in the color Serafina, and this is what Serafina looks like. and there is a mirror in that as well. So these palettes are, I'm not telling you in any particular order because I just picked them up off of my shelf. I don't know when and where or how or what I bought first, second, third, last, or what have you. I don't know. So these are in no particular order. I'm just going to show you what I have. So the first one is the Nubian by Juvia. This is what this one looks like. And then I have the Saharan 2. Now this one, I will tell you, I was attracted to it because of the color, because purple is my favorite color. And so this is what this one looks like. The next one is definitely a recent purchase, and I actually did a look with this one, and I will put that in a card above. Now any video that I did a look on, I will put that in the card. But here is the Tribe. Here's what it looks like. The next one is the Festival. I like the color of this one. I love these oranges, and then I love the gradient look of the oranges. The orange color, you see how it's the gradient look with the orange? I love that. And this is what this palette looks like. The next one is Afrique, and this one is orange. And one of the things that I've noticed with a lot of Juvia's Place palettes, they have a lot of vibrant colors that the palettes have on them. And of course the eyeshadows in some of them are more vibrant than others, and some of them are neutral palettes and things. And I really do need to start taking these palettes out more. I will say this one is the Warrior palette. This is what it looks like. And I think I'll take this one out to go in my stash for the week. I'll probably use 2 of Juvia's Place palettes for the week. This one is the Warrior 2 palette. This one has more of a neutral color on the packaging. And here's what it looks like. And it has that black, that bold black that everybody wants in a palette. But sometimes the blacks can be so harsh. As a matter of fact, I think I'll use the Warrior 2 this week and not the Warrior. Yeah. The next one is the Deuce. What this one looks like. And the next one is the Zulu. Here's what this one looks like, and I love this orange color in this palette. The next one is their first collab, and it was done with Fumi. So this is Queen palette with Fumi times Juvia's Place. Here that one is. And I don't know what colors I'm gonna wear this week. I wish I could take this one out to use it, but I don't know my colors. So I need, when I take out palettes to use for the week, I take out things that I could use across the board. So either I'm going to do a neutral look every day, or I'm going to do something with a little color, but the color has to kind of like go with the colors that I'm wearing, so to speak. Then I have the Saharan. This one, I kind of made this one a little messy. I don't know how, but it's not too messy, I guess. But that's the Saharan. Yeah, I think I'll take the Saharan and put it with the Warrior and use it for the week. This one is the Nubian 3 Coral. This one is one of my favorites, definitely. I have several that are part of my favorites. Oh yeah, no, 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 I'm gonna use this one for the week. I'm gonna take the Saharan out and put this one in for the week. Yes, sometimes when you look back at the colors and you realize, OMG. Then the Masquerade Mini. Here's the Masquerade Mini. And then I have the Nubian 2. And here is what they look like. And as you can see with the Juvia's Place palettes, some of them have bigger pans of eyeshadow colors and some of them have smaller pans. But some of these, with some of these colors, these eyeshadows, these palettes can be used for blushes as well. For instance, this one right here, this color Morocco right here, this would be a great blush. So that one could definitely be used as a blush. And then this Nairobi right here, or this Nefertiti, could definitely be used for highlights. So these palettes can be used for multiple things. Then the next one is the Warrior 3 palette, which is what I used today. Look at those colors on here. This thing is so pretty. And here are the colors that are in this palette. They are gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And then the next one is the Saharan. And this is the one that I haven't used yet. So this will be the 5th one that I use in my Juvia's Place looks. I was about to say collabs, like I got a collab with anybody, but I don't even know how I nudged that one. But this is what the palette looks like. So yes, these are my Juvia's Place palettes, and I'm going to not put this one back up with the rest of them because this one needs to be used. I need to use this one. So I have a total of 16 palettes from Juvia's Place, and I'm not sure how many palettes they have in all, but I have 16 palettes, which is a lot of palettes. So I don't have any of the new minis that came out at the end of December, and of course I don't know what other ones I don't have, but those are what I have. And yeah, I love the Juvia's Place eyeshadows. I love their payoff and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to support the brand and buy stuff as I see fit, things that I like with the brand. And yeah, so like I said, if you have beef with the company, that's not my beef, and don't bring it here. If you would like to see whether or not I have any other collections that are like at a completion or almost at a completion, please leave those comments down below and I'll share some of my other things on my collection. I definitely have the room tour coming up. Now let me tell y'all, I don't have the typical YouTube glamorama room, that I don't have, but I love my little space. It's quaint, it's cozy, it has everything that I need, so I will share it. But please do understand, you're not gonna see white everything with a bit of blush here or whatever and all that kind of stuff. You're not gonna see that over here because that's not what I have, and I'm not gonna go out and buy things to try to make my room look like a beauty guru's room. I'm not doing that. So with that being said, I thank you so much for coming to check out another video, and until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one.